Hi, I'm Magic. I'm watching every movie in 2025 to give me something to talk about when I'm older. And Sniper's Last Stand is something you should never go through ever in your life if you value brain cells, because I almost went brain dead watching this garbage. This is the most generic military movie you will ever see. If you told ChatGPT to give you the most military movie that ever existed, this is what you would get. Do not be fooled by this poster. This man only in the movie for like 5 minutes, but this poster would make you think he's very important. This man goes to some other country, don't know what it is, to help liberate people. Doesn't matter. This movie was made for the last act, where all the action happens, but don't be too excited by the word action, because the choreography and fight stunts in this movie make the CW look like Oscar-worthy movies. This is literally the worst thing you could put your eyes on besides Alarm. And because it's just not Alarm, it gets half a star. Do not waste any brain space on Sniper's Last Stand. Please, go look at my channel for something else. Save yourself.